Do you have a CD and you want to transfer the music from it to your iPod? Well, this is the perfect video. So what you'll need to do this is an iPod, a CD, a USB CD drive, or an old laptop or PC that already has a CD drive installed into it. The first step is putting the CD into the drive. Next, you need to plug in your iPod. Next, you need to open up iTunes and choose the correct name for the album. Then you click Import CD on the top right. I'm using Apple Lossless, but I'd recommend using MP3 for the faster rip speed and to save more storage. Then you can press OK and wait for your CD to be imported to your library. When it's finished, you click the music button on the top left and you'll see the CD in your library. Then you drag it onto your iPod. Then you wait a few seconds for it to go into your iPod. And that's it! Your entire CD is now onto your iPod and ready to listen to. If you want to get the album cover, hold Ctrl and select all your songs. Then let go of Ctrl, right click, press Get Info, and then go to Artwork. Next, you want to find your album on Google, right click on the image you found, and press Copy Image. Then you go back and you paste the image and press OK. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.